The best, most comprehensive list of tips about making money online you'll find. The internet is a rich playing field for those who want to make a lot of money online. There are many lucrative opportunities that you can get involved in. If you want to learn some of the ways to make an income online, read the following video for lots of helpful advice. If you are a good writer, there are many opportunities for you online when it comes to making extra money. For example, check out video writing sites where you can create content to be used for search engine optimization. Many pay more than a few cents per word, making it worth your while. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. Do you love to write? Are you finding it difficult to locate an outlet for your creativity? Try blogging. It can help you get your thoughts and ideas out, while also earning you a little money. However, to do well, make sure you blog about something you are both interested in and that you know a little about. That will draw others to your work. Once you have followers, you can bring in advertisers or start writing paid reviews. Keep in mind how valuable your time is prior to working online. If you intend to do something online to make money, what is your minimum acceptable hourly wage? If you start out cheap, you will have a very hard time ever earning more. Potential employers will see that you don't have much self-worth and take advantage of you accordingly. Anyone can make money online if they have the right approach. By getting good information like what you have read in this video, you put yourself one step ahead of the competition. Always keep an open mind to learn as much as you can about it. There is no better time than now to get started. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.